This is my account. You can see this is TikTok. You can see this is my account on TikTok. Okay, so I'm doing this straight and direct. The first guy is offering $100, second person £300, third person you can see $300, and the last one you can see, notice me, Gucci. Gucci is a Nigerian artist. You know her. Did you know that TikTok can pay you $300? That's an equivalent of 310,000 naira, and even more per song for you to just use the song as a background music in your TikTok video. Please note that you don't have to be a great dancer, neither do you need the best quality of videos for this to work for you. This method works all around the world, and even Nigerians can benefit from this. If you want to find out exactly how to go about this, just keep watching. My name is Waterfred1, and today I will show you exactly what you need to do for you to start earning on TikTok. Step 1, log into your TikTok account. Okay, I just open TikTok, and this is my account. You can see this is TikTok. You can see this is my account on TikTok. Okay, so I'm doing this straight and direct. So on TikTok, once you're on TikTok, you go up from these three lines you can see here, click on it and click on Creator Tools. Okay, yeah, and from Creator Tools you will see Work with Artists. Click on Work with Artists. Then you will see the requirements. Okay, now if you read through it, you will see, first of all, you need to be at least 18 years old, have more than 1,000 followers. Okay, pass anti-cheating verification. Okay, and up here you will see pick a paid music tax you're interested in, create a video with the song and post it. The more likes, shares and views you get, the more you earn. Okay, so what do we do now? Just click on apply. Okay, so you can see the first guy, Takata and Tiags. Sorry, I hope I pronounced that well. You can see the second person, Ron and Melissa. The first guy is offering $100, second person £300, third person you can see $300, and the last one you can see, notice me, Gucci. Gucci is a Nigerian artist. You know her, and Loud Behavior. Yeah, the artist. Okay. Now let's take for instance. Let's just start with the first person. You can choose anyone you like, but let's assume I start with the first guy. You will see $100 per person. $50, top 2, this, top 1, $100, 2. You see, now you can read through the requirements. Okay, do not buy views and likes. Any fraudulent activity will be detected and disqualify you for future campaigns. So don't just do it and go and buy likes or views. Just run your videos normally, okay, and allow it gain organic engagement. So what do? Just click on what to use this track. You can see right now. So let me just do an example. Okay, I'm doing this live and the red, let's say 60 seconds, and
I don't speak Portuguese.
okay, you can see I just recorded the video, and what do? I just click on next. Okay, and then what are we going to do? Just edit it, you know what I mean, edit the cover, okay, and then post, and then tag the guy. Okay, and then you submit your video. The only thing that happens after this is keep checking your post, and then hopefully if it gets the highest engagement, if it goes viral and you gain engagement, you get more likes, more views, more followers, followers are even out of it, more likes, more engagements, okay, more shares, you are going to get the money that the artist pledged to give you. Okay, the money is already on TikTok. And as for how you're going to get paid, you can get paid into your Nigerian bank accounts, or you can get paid in US dollars. Okay, if you don't have a US dollar account or other accounts like British pounds and all that, I made a video previously on my YouTube channel on how you can get a US dollar account, British pounds account, or Euro bank account here in Nigeria legitimately. Okay, so if you want that video, if you want me to remake that video, or if you want to watch that video, I'm going to put the link in my YouTube video description on YouTube, so you can watch that video on how you can receive international payments as a Nigerian. And please know that you need international passport, a valid international passport in your name for that to work for you. So I hope this worked. If you gained any value in this one, give me a like. If you did not, smash dislike 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. Thanks for watching. My name is Waterfred1. Share my videos, like and comment so other people too can gain true value from the videos that I share online. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.